In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Krita. If you're new to Krita or you just want a quick, reliable way to control your view, this guide will walk you through using the built-in zoom handle. It's a simple method that gives you precise control without needing to memorize shortcuts, and it's perfect for moving between detailed brushwork and a full canvas overview. First, open Krita on your computer. You can start a new document or open an existing project. Either way works. Once your canvas is visible, take a moment to look along the bottom edge of the window. You'll see a status bar that shows useful information about your document. On the lower right corner of that bar, you'll find the zoom control. It typically displays the current percentage, and next to it is a small slider-like handle that you can drag. Now click and hold that zoom handle. As you drag it to the right, your view zooms in, letting you get closer to fine details like edges, textures, or line work. Drag it to the left to zoom out, which helps you assess proportions, composition, and how your colors read at a distance. As you move the handle, you'll see the zoom percentage update in real time, and the canvas scales smoothly so you can stop exactly where it feels comfortable. If the zoom feels too jumpy, make shorter drags for finer control. If you need a big change quickly, a longer drag will get you there faster. A quick reminder, changing the zoom does not alter your artwork's actual size or resolution. Think of it like moving closer to or farther from a physical canvas. It only affects what you see on your screen. This makes the zoom handle a safe, non-destructive way to inspect details or step back for a broader view. If your subject moves out of the center as you zoom, that's normal. Just keep an eye on the part of the canvas you want to focus on and adjust the zoom handle until it fits comfortably in your view. You can always fine-tune your position afterward using your usual navigation habits. And that's it. By opening Krita and using the zoom handle at the lower right, you can smoothly zoom in and out whenever you need. Practice this a few times and it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy painting in Krita.